my name is Nephtaly. I'm a Nep student. So I'm here with SGS as volunteers in this camp. I was here. It's my second time in this camp, and I'm one of the leader of the section of games for the children. So for today we have like jump ropes for the kids, and also we have knot like games like tangled. We have to tangle the kids together. To have a way to find a way to untangle them, and we are playing this game because we want the kids know that to have a teamwork, because I think in Haiti we need that. We need that people work together to solve problems. So we have a lot of problems in Haiti. So I think this kind of games will help the children to have an idea about teamwork in Haiti. So it is a good day. It's the first day, and I think the next day will be better and better. Thank you.